Hey guys, it's Brooke, and today I'm going to be showing you guys basically all of the essentials that helped me out last year in school. Some of these things you probably wouldn't expect that you would need in school, and maybe you won't, but these are just things that I found helpful for me last year and also the year before that. If you guys didn't know, I'm going to be a junior this year, so upperclassman, and I don't even know where I was going with that. Anyways, if you guys like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bless you. I have like 2 weeks of summer left, which like is really depressing. Okay, I need to stop talking. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with like not beauty products, but just like toiletry type of stuff. The first thing that I used every single day at school were oil absorbing sheets. These ones are just like the knockoff Clean and Clear ones because I'm cheap like that. These saved me so much. I actually ran out of oil blotting sheets last year, and like I brought like wads of toilet paper to school and like blotted my face, and my friends were like, "What are you doing?" And I was like, I don't know. But anything to get the oil off my face, I needed. My skin is like your typical acne prone, oily, disgusting skin, so this came in handy so much. This is the only makeup product that I bring to school with me because I do my makeup at home. This is my favorite concealer for acne. This is a L'Oreal True Match concealer. This is actually an old bottle that only has a little bit of product left in it, but I love keeping this in my bag just in case a pimple tries to come up during school and like it gets all red and disgusting. This is great to have. I've only needed to use this a few times during the school year when like a pimple would come up during school, but it's always nice to just know that you have it in your backpack. Going with that, I also love having a mirror with me. This is like a really broken ghetto plastic mirror, but having one just in case to like check if you're getting really oily, to check if your mascara is running down your face when you're crying. It is just really nice and handy to have with you. The next thing that you need is baby wipes. Now you're probably like, what? And literally a week after I brought these, all my friends like every single day were asking for baby wipes. So these are really great to have. People spill things at lunch. There's like things being spilled. If you get anything sticky on your hands, it's just nice to have and refreshing to have. If somebody spills something, or like, you know, that always happens when somebody brings like a soda and it just explodes everywhere. This is really nice to get like that sticky stuff off your hands, and they come in handy so much more than you would think that they would come in handy. The next thing I love bringing to school is a tiny wallet. This isn't like my big full-size wallet. This is just a smaller one. And I like just making sure that I have a few dollars in there if I want to get the school lunch or something. We have like a code, but like if my code isn't working or I ran out of money online, it is great to have. And sometimes they'll have like little things that you can buy, like food and stuff. You're gonna think this is weird, but I like to keep a bag of like mouth care stuff. So in here I have like a mini mouthwash from like the travel section at Target, and then I have just like a mouthwash from the dentist. And then I also have Q-tips and like little floss pickers. I love having this just in case, especially if you're in like the locker room or something and you kind of just want to like freshen up. This is really great to have. I'll use it if I'm in the locker room or something after gym or just something like that. Like I'm not just gonna like whip this out and start slugging Listerine. Going along with that, I love having mints with me. I also really love having gum, but like everybody asks for gum. And like I feel like gum just has a lot of chemicals in it, and I'm like not about that. So I love Altoids. They're my favorite freaking thing in the whole world. Obviously these are great for after lunch or if you just want a snack, you know. And they only have sugar and like peppermint flavor in them, so they're not like filled with like chemicals, you know. Technically everything's made out of chemicals, so gotcha. Next thing that you need, are headphones. I would recommend buying a separate pair of headphones for like specifically for your backpack, or have a backup pair in your backpack at all times, because when you don't have headphones at school, I can't even describe the pain that you feel inside. I love listening to podcasts on my way to school, like walking to the bus stop. I love listening to podcasts on my way to school and leaving school, so headphones obviously are really great. And some teachers will let you listen to music while you're doing like schoolwork and stuff, so it's really nice to have. This is just like the old pair of like iPhone headphones that are really knotted up right now. You really need to have a snack with you. I have a relatively fast metabolism and I get hungry so fast, especially if you're eating breakfast at say like 6 o'clock and you have lunch at 12:30. That's a big gap in between, and I am someone who gets hungry very, very quickly and I have to snack. So I'm just showing like trail mix, but I always make sure that there's granola bars in my locker or like mixed nuts in my locker, just some sort of food to have in my locker at all times in case I get hungry. We're not allowed to eat outside of the cafeteria, but I still just like pop them in. That sounded like a drug reference. It wasn't. The next thing that I found really helpful to have is a book with me. Some of my teachers hate when you use your phone, and if we have free time at the end of class and I don't have homework, I'm just sitting there. So I love making sure that I have at least some sort of book or just something to do in my backpack that doesn't involve technology. You probably shouldn't bring like an exorcist book to school because you're gonna scare everybody, but I recommend having just something in your bag, whether you just want to bring a notebook just to doodle in or just something to keep you busy, because there have been so many times where I've just like sat in class doing nothing, bored out of my mind. So yeah, but I don't recommend bringing like an exorcist book to school. I feel like hand sanitizer is kind of just a given to bring with you, but I really recommend it. My school is really disgusting and gross, literally everywhere, so it is nice to have just in case, you know, before you eat lunch or something, to have a little hand sanitizer. Now it's time for honorable mentions. There's only 2, so hold on. Hair ties. I'm somebody who wears my hair down basically every day because I look like an egg with my hair up. I am really tall, and when I look at my desk, if I'm taking a test or something, my head is literally like this and my hair is on my face. So I always make sure that I have a hair tie with me in case I just want to pull my hair back for if I'm taking a test or something, or if I have to look down at my desk. Yeah. And also I like having tissues with me if you're crying, you know, if your friend just starts having a mental breakdown in the middle of class, you know, you be that friend that helps support them by giving them a tissue. Okay. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys are not sad about going back to school, because I am. Goodbye. Gosh, I'm crazy. I'm so quirky.